Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is a special one. So I made about what the heck? Oh, sorry, so much stupid just happened to me. Don't mind that. So, I like liminal spaces, I like the Backrooms. And, Backrooms level 5, or it's boiler room. This picture was taken in this exact place, the HMS Belfast in London in the United Kingdom. This is, I'm pretty sure this was the closest corridor I could find to the image. So, but I think that is where it's been taken. That's the actual boiler room, so it's not in the boiler room, it's the engine room. No, it is the boiler room. What am I saying? I'm just excited. And there's another angle. Wait, oh my gosh, I think that's it. Yeah, that's the exact image. Put it on the angle. Yes. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. No, God, yeah, we can just walk around. There's up to the engine room. There's just another angle. And there's the actual, boiler, because, it is the boiler room. So obviously gotta have a, boiler. Don't mind what's going on around me. But yeah, this is Backrooms level 5's boiler room in real life. So yeah, like and subscribe. Okay, bye.